In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FileZilla to connect to an FTP server. So this is a really useful tool to go and transfer files from your computer to a server. We can also use this to manage the files on our website. So the very first thing we need to do is just go and download the FileZilla application. If you don't already have this, go and type in FileZilla to the search box. You can then click on this top website here and we can download the official FileZilla client. Now once it's downloaded, we can just click on the downloads folder and go and open up the setup file, and then we can just run through the steps to install this onto our computer. Once it's finished downloading, we can just go and open up the application. Now from this window, go and click on this icon in the top left hand side. You can then click on new site, and then you can just go and give your website a name. I'm going to call this website. Now in order to go and retrieve all of the FTP details that we need to enter into here, what you'll need to do is go and open up your web hosting account, and once you're in your web hosting account, you need to navigate over to the cPanel. Once you're on the cPanel, you can scroll down until you see FTP accounts. You can also just use the search box to search for FTP, and as you can see, we can click on FTP accounts from here. Now your interface may look slightly different depending on the cPanel you're using, but basically if you scroll down, you'll see we have all of our different details, and you can go and click on configure FTP client. Now this is going to show you all of the information we need to use. So for the host name, we're just going to copy the FTP server, which is this one here. So I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste that inside of the host. You can then go in and get your port number, so mine's 21, and then just go and enter that into the port number. Then come back over to your cPanel and copy the username. You can then go and paste that into the user, and the password, this is the password you would have used when you set up your FTP account. If you're not sure what the password is, you can always click on the change password and you can go and set a new password for the account. So once you've entered in all the information, go and press connect, and you can press OK. Now you may get this message here, just go and press OK. And as you can see, this will now connect us to our WordPress cPanel, and over on the right hand side, we can see all of our different WordPress files. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.